Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to count the number of non-empty cells, using the COUNTIF function. In Excel, the COUNTIF function returns the number of cells in a range, matching a specified value. So if you want to count the number of non-empty cells in a table, you can use the COUNTIF function to look for cells where the value is not equal to nothing. To do that, click into any empty cell, and type equals COUNTIF. Open parentheses. Then click and drag to select the cells you want to check. Type a comma. Then open quotation marks, and type a less than symbol, followed by a greater than symbol. Now close the quotes, and close the parentheses. Then hit enter. The function has correctly returned 12 as the number of non-empty cells. But if you wanted to count the number of cells that are empty, simply remove the not equal to operator, then hit enter. Now the function returns 2, which is the number of empty cells in the range. The COUNTIF function is also useful for finding patterns and keywords. In this example, we have a table of product codes. If we want to count all the codes that start with AB, we can type AB, followed by an asterisk. In this case we have a dash after every instance of AB, but an asterisk means the function will count any cell where it finds AB, followed by any other character. When we hit enter, we see that there are 3 cells in the range that contain AB, followed by something else. If we want to check for product codes that end in -X, we can place the asterisk at the beginning. Then type -X. This searches for any character followed by -X. When we hit enter, we see there are 2 cells that end with those characters. However, COUNTIF can also check for patterns using a question mark. For example, we have some codes with 3 dashes, and some with 2. Since the codes with 3 dashes have 2-digit numbers between each dash, we can use 2 question marks to represent any 2-digit number. To start, enter 2 asterisks to catch any characters before or after the pattern. Then type dash. 2 question marks. Dash. 2 question marks. Dash. Now hit enter. We now know there are 3 product codes that follow the specified pattern. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.